atomic number. Okay, if you are having atomic number, then the number of protons and the number of electrons will be the same. So in first case, atomic number is 9. The moment you see atomic number 9, protons is 9, electron is also 9. You wrote that? 9. And what have they given? The number of neutrons. Number of neutrons they have given and atomic mass they have given.
10.
Okay. So they have given the number of neutrons as 10.
What is atomic mass is 19.
Atomic mass is what?
19.
Atomic mass is equal to the total number of neutrons plus protons. You remember? Atomic mass. Look at the board. Atomic mass is number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So you will know that it is 10 and 9. So obviously atomic mass is 19. Now the last column also tells you the name of the atomic species. You want the name. How will you find out what is the name? By looking at the atomic number.
9.
Okay. So which element has atomic number 9?
Fluorine.
Correct. So you are going to write it as fluorine. Have you done it?
Yes. Unlike little magnesium.
Okay. Next one is what they have given as atomic number 16. Are you writing it down somewhere, Abhishek? Why did you write it down?
And what is this?
Fluorine.
Name.
Fluorine. F-L-U-O-R-I-N-E. Okay.
16.
Atomic number 16, mass number is 32. If it is 16, then what are the two things which is 16 and 16?
Number of protons.
Proton 16. Neutron, yeah, 16. Proton and electrons is 16.
And the number of neutrons.
How will you calculate? 32 minus 16? Right, so it is 16. This is 16. But you don't write 16 without calculating. And what is the name? It is sulfur. Sulfur. Next one. Next one. They have not given you atomic number, but they have given number of protons as 12.
One magnesium. 12.
12 is what? Atomic number. Yes, right there. 12 you write. Okay, if protons are 12, electrons also will become 12. Okay. Number of neutrons, how can you mind?
12 minus 12.
24 minus 12. 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. Yes. Number of neutrons is 12. And that is magnesium. Mg, magnesium. Okay, the next one.
Mom, what is this like? This two number of.
Wait. Next column. Next column, mass number they have given 2. Number of protons they have given as 1. Kaushik, so if proton is 1, what else will be 1?
Hydrogen. The protons is 1,
Electron 1.
Electron is definitely 1. Okay. And mass number they have given as 2. 2 where? Mass number 2. Mass number they have. How can you calculate the number of neutrons there?
1 minus 2.
1.
And where?
See 2 here. The number of neutrons is 1.
Hydrogen and neutron 0.
Hydrogen is 1.
Yeah.
This atomic number is 1.
Yeah. So different type of hydrogen.
So what is it? It is hydrogen. What is it? It's deuterium. Second one is what? The last one is what? Deuterium. See under isotopes. We haven't done it, no? Isotopes. Last one.
Deuterium.
Deuterium. That is deuterium, which is an isotope of hydrogen.
So what would be the mass number?
Mass number they have given us 2, no?
No, ma'am. Sorry, atomic number.
Atomic number is 1 only. Because only 1 proton is there, so it has to be 1. Deuterium. And the last one you just see.
This is the last one, right?
I think you're making a mistake. I'm telling you last one. I'm doing the last but one. Okay, in your book there's nothing.
Ma'am, there are only 4, 5.
I think now I'll just let me check the new one. I'm going to fit to the old book.
Yeah.
Why have they given number of electrons as 0? That is wrong, no?
D, number of electrons.
It is wrong. So make that as 1.
Eh? This one.
Proton, if proton is 1, electron also has to be 1.
One.
No? It has to be 1.
This
The number of neutrons they have already given as 0. Their mass number they have given as 1. Atomic number will be 1. In my book there is, in the old book there is an additional 1.
And this one.
What is that? That is nothing but hydrogen. If there are no neutrons, then it is hydrogen only. There is no deuterium. What did you write? I hope you have written the correctly. Show me. Show me what you have written. I was referring to the old book. I don't know what is there. 1. Atomic number is hydrogen. That's all. Number of neutrons is 0. This is hydrogen. Cut it out and write hydrogen. Number of electrons 1. Proton 1. Neutron is 0. Mass number 1.
The deuterium.
Hydrogen. If there is another one, suppose it's like this. Look
And
at
here
this.
it will come hydrogen.
No, you look here.
I mean hydrogen. And it is written deuterium. Here. Here. Deuterium.
Have you shown me the previous one?
Previous
Hydrogen.
Previous one, you know, why did you write it as 2? Why did you change this as 2? That is one. That is one only, no mass number. Here atomic number 1, mass number is 2. So there is number of neutron and proton will be 1, not 2 here. That is 1.
That is also hydrogen.
One.
Now listen here. Okay, look at the board now. I think both of you are getting confused. Just wait. He is clear. He is getting confused. You.
Ma'am, it is one only.
हाँ ठीक है atomic number 1 ठीक है if atomic number 1 is there so what will happen to
Protons and
proton
electrons.
proton electron 1 आ जाएगा ठीक है अगर neutron 0 है तो atomic mass number क्या आएगा
1.
because you have to add proton and
Neutron.
okay so therefore it is 1 so what is it this is nothing but hydrogen this will come as hydrogen okay now you look at another way of putting it atomic number is 1 what else will be 1 and 1 proton and electron will be 1 suppose I say neutron is also 1
Atomic mass is 2.
exactly 2 so neutron and proton then atomic mass is 2 if it is 2 it is deuterium okay deuterium is nothing but an isotope of hydrogen this is an isotope
So, ma'am, the above one is deuterium. Right?
yes in the column there okay so that is that okay I hope all of you have written it correctly
Yes, ma'am.
but the number of electrons should be 1 na? I think there's a misprint in your textbook okay let us see something here I'm giving you one more idea suppose I'm saying there's no electron then what will happen it is possible why not
Ma'am, the proton would be 0, right?
hydrogen ये हो गया nucleus 1 electron and 1 proton is there okay proton is there but no electrons that means I have knocked out this ये नहीं है so what will happen to H is it an ion
Positively charged.
very
ion.
good so it becomes H plus do you understand okay it becomes hydrogen ion but of course not here we are not talking about hydrogen ions just to give you an idea what happens if you take some other electron
It becomes a negative charge.
very good very good so this is hydrogen atom it has 1 electron and 1 proton suppose it's taking 1 more electron when it becomes what H negative okay hydride that becomes hydride. This is our species so it is an ionic species we are not talking about an atom only when we say it is an ion it will have a charge all of you have signed yeah. So now look at Question number 80. Which of the following is the correct electronic configuration of sodium?
A21 V1
Correct electronic configuration. First orbit में कितना आएगा? Don't look at that.
2, 8,
Correct. So sodium is what? It is 2, 8, 1. How will we remember? How do we remember? First orbit always 2. It cannot be A21. Got it now? First orbit always 2, next orbit is 8, then it picks up. Okay. Go to the question number 17. Number of valence electrons in Cl. Now they're talking about Cl minus ion. Chloride. What is chlorine? Chlorine.
CL
Z is equal to 17.
17,
So what is the electronic configuration?
EC,
17.
8, 7,
Correct.
2, 8, 7.
2, 8, 7 if this is an atom. Okay. But here what is the question here? The question they are asking is chloride ion. And there is a negative sign. मतलब क्या हुआ?
2, 8, 8.
Correct.
8
Kaushik, hello. Why are you looking so black? Did you understand what happens to minus? That means it has taken up one more electron. Na? You got an electron that is getting added
8
here.
8
So it becomes 2, 8, 8. Did you understand? Write it down somewhere.
8 will be
2, 8, 8. Okay. So your number of valence electrons will be definitely 8. Okay. Look at 16. Look at 16 and tell me
8.
isotopes of an element.
The same physical properties.
Think in your mind, read properly and tell me the answer.
Different number of neutrons.
Different atomic number.
Different number of neutrons. Okay, because they have just received yes, different mass numbers. So obviously it is not different number of neutrons. Very good. Then Rutherford's alpha particles scattering experiment was responsible for the discovery of what?
Dynamic nucleus.
Atomic nucleus.
Okay. Then see 14th one, true or false?
J.J. Thomson.
What did J.J. Thomson do? What is he responsible
Contains
for?
No,
only
false.
neutrons.
Ma'am, he said
Well,
that
false.
the hole, the sphere hole has the positive and there are only few negative charges connected.
Yes, like
False.
It
yes.
was discovered later on by
Rutherford. So obviously the
False.
first one is false. Yes. Neutron is formed. A neutron is formed by an electron and a proton combining together. Therefore, it is neutral. Is it correct?
false.
Neutron is a particle which is neutral. Okay. So it's an individual particle, right? Next. Mass of an electron is about 1/2000 times that of a proton. What did we learn? What did we learn about the structure of an atom? All these electrons, the mass is negligible. So the mass of an electron is 1/2000 times that of a proton. So which is correct. Okay, so it has a very, very small mass. Next one.
Isotope of iodine is used for making tincture iodine, which is used in medicine. True.
Check out what are the properties of isotopes. What are the applications of isotopes? The last paragraph. See. Isotopes, applications. Where does it come? We have already finished reading it.
False.
What is it used for? See properly.
Mark an isotope of a copper.
Potassium, deuterium and tritium.
Treatment of water.
Goiter. So what have they given here?
This medicine.
See, it is made for using tincture iodine. It's not.
अच्छा हाँ.
What is tincture iodine? Suppose you have got a cut
That does something.
they put it like Dettol it is. It is not used there. No. So please read the complete statement for your examination. So this is what happened. The moment you look at iodine, you said yes, it is correct. No, don't do that. Okay? Radioisotope of radioisotope of iodine is used for the treatment of goiter. You should remember goiter. Right. Then come to question number 13. Did you put a tick mark for all that? Okay, put a tick mark, that means you're completed. Okay, 13. Composition of the nuclei of two atomic species, X and Y. Now I'm putting up, now tell me what is it? Something, let us say something is X and something is Y. Okay, and they're given protons and neutrons. So for protons and neutrons, here how many protons?
6.
And here how many neutrons?
6.
Okay, here
6, 8.
8. If both of them are having the same number of protons, is it same element or is it different element?
Different. Protons.
Where are the protons?
Same.
The protons are here. Protons are the same, so obviously it belongs, it is the same element. Okay, what is different?
Neutrons are different, so
If the neutrons are different, then what is different? What is it called?
Proton.
isobars.
Isotope.
only. Hydrogen में देखा ना अभी. What did we see about hydrogen? It has 0 neutrons, 1 neutron, 2 neutrons. That is nothing but an isotope. So we know immediately that we are talking about isotopes of which element? Which element has 6? Atomic number 6.
Proton.
666. Again, you turn the pages and see. No, you should know by now. First 20, I told you to remember. What is 6?
6. Carbon and sulfur.
Have to see, otherwise you will not know. Okay. So we know that this is carbon. This is also carbon. Okay. This is 6. Atomic number is 6. Atomic number is 6. Proton plus neutron gives you what?
12.
What does it? What does it show?
The
Atomic
mass number.
So it is 12 here. Here it is 14. So what are these two? Therefore they are.
Isotope.
Take it down, please. Take it down in your text, in your notebook. Don't write in your text. Write it down. Right. Because these numbers are different, this number and this number is different, shows that the number of neutrons are different. Okay, so what does it show? Immediately it shows that it has got a different mass number. I hope you have everything properly in your notebook, because once it starts in your school, it is going to be easy for you. It's not yet started, isn't it? Yeah.
In school, we have studied atoms and molecules. But it is over. Atoms and molecules are over. Gave up here. It's going on.
Yeah. Okay. Now we are doing question number 12. Abhishek. Question number 10. What is given to us?
Z is equal to 3, the atomic mass number.
I'm not telling you anything. It is up to you to find out and tell me what is Z, what is A. Or you look at your notebook itself. I've given you so much of material. Where's your notebook today?
Mama got you know,
Please take it out. It's okay, come out of it. What is A? What is Z? They have given Z. What is the meaning of Z?
Atomic mass number. Atomic mass.
There are only two
Atomic
things.
number.
Is it atomic number or is it
Atomic
mass?
number.
How do you know? Whatever it be.
Atomic number.
Atomic number.
Correct? Yes. So this is your atomic number. If I say it is there, it means it is atomic number. And if it is 3, what does this number 3
The
tell
number
us?
of protons and number of
Not and,
The number of protons.
protons. Okay. So this shows us the number of protons which is equal to the number of electrons. Now, what else have they asked? What will be the valency of the element?
and
What is valency? How will you find out valency?
2.
And neon.
Tell me electronic configuration.
2, 8. That's it.
Why 2, 8? We have only 3
Oh,
electrons.
sorry, 2, 1. So minus 10.
2, 1. So I want to find out what is the valency.
What is lithium?
Minus 1.
Ma'am, 2,1.
Minus 1.
But I already
Valency is minus 1. Because
Ma'am, why?
donating or giving.
Ma'am, 1.
valency is just the number of electrons
Ah,
taking part in any chemical reaction. Here you are identifying that there is 1 electron in the outermost orbit. What will it do?
So donating is
It is-
easier than taking 7.
Yes. So obviously it is giving away 1. So valency is equal to 1
That's 1.
plus 1. What is the element which has got 3? Atomic number 3 is what? Please, that you should tell me. Come on. First 3 elements.
And lithium.
Hal.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. Okay? So
Ma'am, is going to.
write it down fast. Abhishek, come on, write it down.
Answer आपको बोलना है.
Okay? Now, question number 11 and question number 10 is based on your average atomic mass. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
You remember example that they have given you for chlorine? See average atomic mass here. Okay, they are calculating average atomic mass of chlorine. First, I'll do chlorine so that you understand what is given in the textbook. Understood?
Bromine.
Are you writing down something?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am expected to write. I'll do this afterwards. First, you take down what I'm doing. Now, chlorine has got 2 isotopes. Both of them are 17. One is 35 and the other one is 37. Okay. Now here they have given that it is in the ratio of 3:1. What does it mean? It means it is 75% of 35 and 25% of 37. Correct? Did you understand? 3:1. Basically, we are talking in terms of percentages. Okay? So if you want to find out the average atomic mass, what do? 35. How much? What is the percentage? It is 75
It's 75 upon 100.
upon 100. Okay? And plus, we are going to add up this. Plus, it is 37 times, it is 25 by
100.
100. So if you calculate this, what is the answer that you will get? 35 divided by 100 is 3/4 and this is 1/4.
I'm 35.5.
Yes, because it is already ready-made answer for you. 35.5. Okay? Did you understand how to do it? So basically we are using the same method in order to find out for bromine. Did you understand how we are going to do? So now you see question number 11. What is asked? the average atomic mass of a sample of an element X is 16.2. Okay, so they've already given you 16.2. That is your average atomic mass. What are the percentages of isotopes of 16 and 18? Okay, you have got 16 and the other one is 18. Both of them are 8. What does it tell you? Atomic number is the same. So what does it tell you? It is an isotope. Which element has got atomic number 8? Atomic number 8. See? Oxygen. Okay. This is oxygen, right? Finished, I think.
Oxygen.
So now we do not know. The question says, what is the percentage? In the previous sum here, they have given us the percentage. But in this sum, there is no percentage which is given to us.
16.2 into
16.2 is the last answer. Like this is the last answer. So we do not know what this is. So let us say, let the percentage of this be A%. Okay, if this is A%, what will this be? It will be 100 minus A. Okay, you understood this step? If this is 75, it is 100 minus 75, which is equal to 25. So now we use this. We use these in order to find out. So what is this number here? It is 16 times A by 100. That is your percentage. Okay? Plus, what is the atomic number here?
18
18 times.
A100 minus A upon 100.
Yes. Okay, it will not get cut here.
0, 0,
It will not. Okay, let me just take away this bracket so that it's easier for you.
0, 0, 0, 0.
Okay. Now come on to. So this is going to be 16A upon 100 plus, open up the bracket, it is 1800 minus 18A upon 100. Now the whole thing is equal to what? This is the number which has been given to us. So it is 16.2. You have opened the bracket, no? 1800 minus 18A by 100.
And then 116.
That's given. It's given there. In the question they have given, na? This is what is given to us. Now what is it? It has got a common LCM of 100. So what do we do? Plus 1800 minus 18A is equal to 16.2 into 100. How much is that?
1620.
1620. Okay. So how much is this now? 16A and minus 18A. How much will that be?
Minus 2A.
So minus 2A is equal to
900.
1620 is already here. 1800 is shifting to the other side. So how much is it?
Minus 900.
Now find out this. How much is that? Your answer will be negative.
Minus 2420.
Bigger number minus the smaller number and put a minus sign there.
Minus 2420.
1800.
Minus 180.
Correct. Minus 180.
180.
This is negative. This is positive. Bigger number minus the smaller number. So how much is it now? It is equal to minus 180. Correct? So you have got minus 2A is equal to minus 180. Negative signs are getting cancelled out. So find out A. How much is A? Kaushik, how much is A?
90.
Samjha. So this is equal to 90. So what is your percentage? A is how much?
90.
90%.
90%.
100 minus 90.
Yes. So therefore,
99.
so your this isotope, that is isotope this is 90%, and the other isotope, that is this one,
10%.
okay, that is going to be 10%. Copy them. Did you understand? So that is why I have taken this example of chlorine first. Now, once you have understood the example of chlorine, it is easy for you to understand this. So either which way they can ask you. They may give you the percentage and ask you to find out the average atomic mass, or they may give you the final atomic mass, average atomic mass, and they may ask you to calculate the percentages. Either which way you will. Okay. Here I have taken it as A. You can always take it as X. See here. Okay. Let the unknown quantity be X%. Okay. Here it will become what? It will become 100 minus X. Okay. So that is here. Either which way. You can take X, Y, A, anything. As long as it is an unknown quantity. Do you understand? Okay. Put a tick mark for that now. 12th is over, 11th is over. Okay, 10th one. I'll keep this here. I'm keeping it here because you can refer it. 10th one is very similar to what we have done. Now you tell me what are the steps. If bromine atom is available in the form of, let us say, two isotopes.
One percentage is given, right?
But bromine, let us write down the, okay, what is that? 35 and 79.
81.
And this is 81.
Yes.
And percentages are also given. How much is it?
49.7.
49.7
50.3.
and 50.3.
Calculate average.
Okay. Calculate the average atomic mass of bromine atom. Do come on, tell me what are the steps.
That is
This is
81
not-
and 35, right?
I'll take another pen. 81 and 35. 79. Is that
We
clear
have to
now?
find the mass of the mass of protein.
Atomic, average atomic mass. Okay, so this is what is given to us. Write it down as given. And we have to find the average atomic mass. What are the steps? Abhishek, what is the first step? What did we take?
Yeah.
Which number did we take?
79
Yes, we have
into
to take
49.7.
79 and 29.
yes, 79 times what?
49.7 100
Correct. Plus,
plus 81 into
you have to take this number on the top. 81 times,
3.3 upon 100.
yes. So you just have to tell me these numbers. Multiply this number and multiply this number. How much is this?
0499.91.
How much did you get? How much did you get, Pashu? Do properly. Don't make a mistake. Just check your calculation. You're multiplying these two numbers, right? 49.7 times 79. What did you do?
49.7 to 50.8.
Properly. Don't make any mistake. Don't be in a hurry.
Three nine two six.
Correct? Correct? 39.26. You got the correct answer.
Three.
Okay. You're right.
39128.
39. This is the answer. Now do this one. Come on, do it. 50.3 times 81. Did you get this number, Kaushik? You got this number? Yes, come on. Next one.
Four zero seven. 4 point.
Ma'am,
40743.
Divided by 100 is there?
Three.
Okay. 74?
Three.
Okay, 743. Now what should you do? Add it up. Add up both of them. So you have got 39.263 and 40.743.
I'm 80.006.
So it is 80.006, which is approximately equal to 80.
80.
Subject. So this is your, what are we finding out?
The atomic mass.
Average
Average
atomic
atomic
mass. This is your average atomic mass. Of what? Of which element?
Bromine.
Yes, of bromine. So this is your final answer. Did you understand now? So for isotopes, you will have two different varieties of questions which is going to be asked. Sometimes they may give you the percentage and ask you to find out, or the other way around also. So put a tick mark for 10 and 11. Both of them are for isotope. Mark it in your textbook at least. So when you're doing isotope, we do these two questions together. Okay, this is isotope. See, this is isotope, this is also isotope. So no isotope. I you will understand. I means isotope. Yeah, right. Okay, now see the ninth one.
Na plus. That's it.
Abhishek, ninth one. Kaushik, ninth one. Read the question and see what you need to understand. Na plus has completely filled K and L.
Remember the number of electrons does it?
First of all, Na plus. What does it show? Correct.
1135.
Okay, we are not bothered about atomic mass.
The atomic number of sodium is 11.
Electronic configuration.
2, 8, 2, 8, 1.
If it has become Na plus,
Now 2, 8.
2, 8. That's
that's
it.
all. 2, 8. First shell is what?
K.
K and L. So now they are asking you a question. What is the question? Na plus has completely filled K and L.
That's the number of electrons.
Yes. On what basis do we explain this? How do the electrons fill up?
It has 11 electrons.
Configuration
Now
of
NS.
Which formula? What is this formula?
2n square.
So based on this formula, 2n square, you have to explain. First shell has got 2 electrons. Write it down quickly. Okay, question number 9. Based on the formula, 2n square. Okay, first shell can accommodate, or first shell has 2 electrons, and then the second shell has got 8 electrons. Has 8 electrons. Therefore, since Na plus, that is sodium ion, you can write it down as ion so that you don't forget. Since sodium ion has only 10 electrons,
Since
It is
Na plus ion has only 2 electrons, it fills up the K and L shapes.
done.
Okay? Question number 8, put a tick mark, we have already finished everything. Explain with examples, atomic mass number, isotopes, isoper, give any 2 isotopes, all that we have already finished. Okay, because as I was teaching you, I was also giving you so many calculations. Correct? 8 wala bhi put a tick mark. Okay.
And 7.
7th one. Define valency by taking the examples of silicon and oxygen. Okay, come on. What is silicon? Oxygen. They're asking.
Oxygen is -2. Silicon is
Okay, let me give you Z. Z is 14. And here it
Silicon
is.
is also minus.
8,
2, come on. Tell me the electronic configuration.
2, 8, 4.
Correct. Here it is what?
2, 9, 2, 4.
2,
6,
6.
7.
Okay, now what should we find out? We should find out the valency.
+4.
Okay. So the number of electrons in the outermost shell, valency is 4. That means all the 4 electrons are taking part. Abhishek, this is a special characteristics, Kaushik. Okay, well, it will not give away 4, it will not take 4,
4.
but it is sharing.
Sharing.
It forms a covalent bond. Okay, so here you can write down shares electrons. This is for you to remember.
And oxygen.
Oxygen is what will it do?
-2. It will
-2.
take
It will take.
electrons.
So what is the valency?
-2.
Come on, take it down. You should explain it with the help of a topic number. Okay, I have put down only the key points on the board, but when you are writing in your exam paper, you have to explain each step. What will you write? Atomic number of silicon is 4. Electronic configuration is 284. Since there are 4, write down. Why are you so lethargic today? Since there are 4 electrons in the outermost orbit,
It is a special case, so it will share its electrons.
so it will share 4 electrons. Therefore, valency is 4. Come on, write down. क्या बोला मैंने? Silicon has 4 electrons in the outermost shell. Therefore, it shares its 4 electrons and valency is 4. Okay. Same way for this one also. Oxygen has 6 electrons in the outermost shell. It takes up 2 electrons and therefore valency is 2. Is that okay? Yeah. Put a tick mark there. Question number 6. Summarize the rule for writing the distribution of electrons. Which rule?
2s1.
But anyway, the full chart is already there. You know which chart? This chart is there. This is your question number 6. Question number 6.
This is good.
Okay, the first 18 elements. You have to write it at home. This is your homework. Okay. Then, question number 5. Compare all the proposed models of an atom given in this chapter. Have you done that? Have done it?
Marginal constant at the third board.
You have to compare it.
Yeah, but I've given you in the form of what are their postulates, so you have to base your answer on that. Put a tick mark there. Bohr's model, what did he say? Bohr's model.
Ma'am, that 2h.
Only certain states are always known as this.
He just provided that
Some
the
formula.
inside, like until the electrons are inside the inside the shell, they will not lose its energy even though it is spinning continuously around.
Very good. So that is what we are supposed to remember. Okay. As long as the electrons are present in those specific shells, it will not lose its energy.
So during chemical change, if the electron loses its energy.
If it is jumping, see the higher energy. Okay, now let us say an electron, these are the shells. Okay, the first and the second and the third. The electron which is present in the third shell is having more energy as well compared to the second one. So in any of the chemical reactions, what are they saying? One electron which is here can be lost, or electrons which are somewhere given out by something can be accepted. Okay, but there are certain special conditions where there is an electron which is in the outermost shell can jump into the lowermost shell. That is also there, it's possible. When you come to the D shell, that is when you will remember.
So ma'am, like, can't we do in these type of
No, in this type nothing will happen. Suppose one is there, two is there. Two is having 8 electrons. Why will it lose its 8 electrons? It will not lose its 8 electrons. Okay, it's only when you learn a little more about periodic table in the, not even in the 10th standard, in the 11th standard, we'll teach you a little more regarding the periodic table. Then you will realize that there are S, P, D and F shells. These are all not there for you. S, P, D, F. It refers to the shape of the shells. Spherical, pi, okay, double, and F is different. Is that okay? Chalo then. Bye. All the best. Portion is over.
So next class we are here.
Next class.
Next one. Class है.
no class है?
Finish now.
अरे maths
नहीं है, देख ले.
I don't know about
Next
maths.
Wednesday we have class.
ma'am is talking about her class.
I'm talking about my class. I
But
don't know
next
about maths.
Wednesday we have class.
This one. Over.
खत्म हो गया.
ये आज क्लास है.
मैंने देखा जब केमिस्ट्री क्लास देखा सर.
हाँ केमिस्ट्री है.
अब देखा तूने?
मैंने आने के पहले आने चार पढ़ा.
तीन भी दो बार देख के.
मस्ती कर रहा हूँ.
वही मुझे बताया मुझे सीपीएस बीपीएस दोनों अटेंड नहीं करके मैं
चलो.
अब तुझे कहा किस नशे में मैथ दिखा फिर?
मस्ती यार.